Hello friends, and welcome back to the channel. On today, December 10th, we are continuing with the Elvis Presley Advent calendar project here. If this is your first time tuning into the channel, welcome and thanks for stopping by. If you wouldn't mind clicking that subscribe button below, I'd really appreciate it. And also, if you like this content, please give it a thumbs up. As for my regular subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing to the channel and for all the support you give me. I really appreciate it. Alright, so let's move on and see what we have in store for us on today, December 10th, in our Advent calendar. So let's find the December 10th box here. And there it is right there, so let's get that out. There's our screwdriver that we got the last time. Okay, December 10th, let's see what we get. Okay. Alright, looks like we have a control unit. That's cool. Alright, so let's put our box back in here and we'll see what our, oops, where did that go now? I think it went right there. Yep, that looks right. And that's what our picture looks like so far. We're getting there, guys. Alright, so let's check out the book and see what December 10th has to offer. Okay, over here it's talking about Elvis and after he came back from the military and the Lincoln Continental Mark V that he had purchased. Actually, a couple of them looks like. Alright, over here. Okay, today you received a sound module. Cool. That will make your Elvis world audibly come alive later. Use 2 screws to attach the module to the bottom side of the base. On one side of the sound module, you will find the label Power and Button and Speaker. You will later put the electronic plugs into these respective sockets. Attach the module in such a way that you can see this side, so the side with the labels on it. 2 small holes correspond to the 2 small pins on the base. To fasten the sound module, use the 2 small silver round-headed screws. Pay close attention to the illustration, which is up here. It is important to connect the plugs of any component only to the appropriate socket of the sound module. This also applies to subsequent steps. Otherwise, the electronic components may be damaged. Okay, so we gotta pay attention to what we're doing here. So let's get our sound module and our base. And we'll need our screwdriver and 2 screws. So let's get those over here. Alright, so if we orientate this like it is in the book, that's this way. We switch. It's going to go up here. We want to have it so we can see the labels on here. And it looks like, okay, so there are 2 small pins recessed down here. And there's 2 places for those to connect to, so we'll set those in there. Just like that. And then we're going to take our screws and we'll secure it to the base. Now these are just going into plastic, so you want them tight, but you don't want to over tighten them because they will strip out really easily. Our second screw. Alright, make sure it's in there good. Nope, it's a little loose. Let's tighten that a little more. Alright, nice and secure in there. Very nice. And it matches the picture on the illustration. So it looks like we're good there. Alright, so that was nice. We got to actually build something for a change. Alright, so that will conclude the episode for December 10th, and I will see you guys here tomorrow for December 11th and the next box in the Advent calendar. So until then, I hope you guys are having a great day, be safe out there, and go build something.